Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a flow in Manychat using the Capture Customer Data with a Lead Magnet template so you can grow your email list and deliver value automatically in 2026. Let's get into it. First, select the Lead Magnet template. The first step is leveraging a pre-built framework designed specifically for high-conversion lead generation. From your Manychat dashboard, go to the Automation tab and click Plus New Automation. Browse the template gallery and select Capture Customer Data with a Lead Magnet. In 2026, efficiency is everything. This specific template comes preloaded with the user input blocks and data validation logic needed to distinguish between a real email address and random text, saving you from building complex validation rules from scratch. Next, customize your trigger and offer. Now you need to tell Manychat which specific interaction should trigger the delivery of your freebie. Click the trigger block at the top and select User Comments on a Post or Instagram keyword. The selection, edit the first message block to describe your lead magnet, like, "Here is your free 2026 strategy guide." Relevance is the key to lead capture. By tying the flow to a specific keyword or post comment, you ensure the automation only fires for users who are actively raising their hand for your specific offer, which keeps your engagement rates high and your spam reports low. Lastly, deliver the asset and set live. The final step is rewarding the user for providing their data by delivering the promised lead magnet by linking the success path of your data capture to a final message block containing a button that links to your PDF, video, or Google Drive file. Click Preview to test the data entry on your phone, then click the blue Set Live button. Immediate gratification is a major conversion driver. Automating the delivery ensures the user gets their value the split second they provide their email. Setting it live completes the 24/7 loop, allowing you to collect leads while you sleep. And that's pretty much it. To create this flow in 2026, select the Lead Magnet template in the Automation menu, set your trigger, like a keyword, and configure the user input blocks to save emails to your custom fields. Once you link your download button and click Set Live, your automated lead generation system is ready to go. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.